A top of the morning to ya. Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. This week we are making a pot of gold. So of course, every pot of gold, you have a rainbow attached to it. So I am gonna get into the video and show you how we made this. Okay, so to make our pot of gold for St. Patrick's Day, you're going to have all of your colored strips. So Roy G. Biv, your pot for your gold to go in, and of course your gold, or else it's not a pot of gold, it's just a pot, right? So what we're going to do first, we have to put our rainbows attach it to our pot of gold. So there's two ways you can do it. You can either start with the loop on your pot and then work your way and staple it, or glue. You can even tape. I'm going to staple my bands because it's a little bit easier. Or you can start at the beginning of the rainbow. So red for Roy, and you're going to just make a little bracelet. I'm going to take my stapler, staple it, and then interloop my orange with the red, and continue this process all the way until we get to the last color. Because when we get to the last color, that's when we're going to attach the purple to the pot of gold. And that's all we're going to do. So for your Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, and then we're going to have, you can have blue or indigo. We only have blue. And then so for the last color, our purple, when you interloop it through the blue, you also have to make sure that you interloop it through your pot of gold. And this is so that everything stays attached, because if you don't, you're just going to have your loop of colors and no way to attach them to your pot of gold. So then when you do, ta-da, you have your chain of colors. So then the last part of our pot of gold is of course the gold. You have to have the gold. So for that part, I'm just going to use my glue stick and put the glue, and when I'm back, I'll show you our final creation. Okay, now that I put my gold on my pot of gold, ta-da! So of course our gold and the rainbow that's attached. So you can hang this on your door, you can hang this on your fridge, maybe in your bedroom. So you'll have some luck for St. Patty's Day. A top of the morning to ya, as they would say, right? Don't forget to click around and see what else you can find.